Welcome to the channel. It's AlmightyDen, and I want to see y'all win in this stock market and these crypto markets. But today we talking about AMC. I am AMC strong. I'm AMC ape. I am holding this thing until we see the mother of all short squeezes. I'm not selling for anything less than the mother of all short squeezes till the price is so ridiculously high. It's something that I can't even really imagine. I want to see once in a lifetime prices with this AMC. So with that being said, we got the chart up. If you like AMC, if you're an AMC ape, like the video. If you like the stock market, the crypto market, and you like to hear about that and learn about new plays, follow me, subscribe to the channel, like the video as well, because I will keep y'all posted. Now, if y'all are like me, I always get this feeling as if I can never get enough AMC. I feel like I can't, no matter how much I get, I always want more. If I reach this goal, I want this much more. If I reach that goal, I want that much more. Until this thing squeezes, because that's how much of a believer I am. Now, if we look at this chart, right, you can see that this thing has been dragging out. It's been in a slow decline, but that's okay, because we've seen this before. If you look back previously to earlier in the year, we've seen it had that same decline where it jumped up, had a massive run, and then slowly allowed people to accumulate, and then boom, we had a massive run all the way to nearly 70, 80 bucks. Now the same thing is happening again right in front of our faces. It's playing out much more clearly now. So check this out. It looks like it is trying to break out, but the pennant is getting tighter. This bullish pennant is getting a lot tighter. It's not like it was up here and down here when it first hit. It's hit this line once, twice, a little bit of rejection after this breakout here. So we're going to see if they tried to break out. It's trying to break out, a little bit of rejection right here. So we can see maybe go down some more and try to drag it out for maybe a couple of more days, maybe a few more days, maybe a few more weeks, maybe even a few more months, depending on how tight this thing wants to get. But it's a ticking time bomb. It does not matter. And in my opinion, I'm telling you right now, it does not matter. It is a ticking time bomb. Now, typically with these things, when you see these type of formations, it can break out to the upside or the downside. And previously, as we've been getting these formations, it has broken. It has just pretty much formed a big level of consolidation. Now, for some reason, it wants to go a bit lower, even though I don't think it'll drop below $28, $29. I don't think it'll go that low. Then we'll just have a larger range of consolidation. Like, that's not going to change my thoughts and opinions. If anything, I'm going to want to buy more. This is one of the most dangerous stocks in the stock market for short sellers, because when this thing goes lower, it's not like people get scared. Everybody wants to buy a lot more. It's like a more of an opportunity to get more. So the longer that it drags on, the longer that it drags out, the more opportunity that more people have to get some, because I know myself, like many other people, I do not feel like I can get enough of this stock right now. It's something personal. It's something about the mother of all short squeezes. It's like, I'm going to be a part of that. I know a lot of you all will be a part of it too. So, I'm going to inform the people around me. I'm going to inform you guys, and I'm going to learn stuff from others as well. So it's like, I'm always looking forward to new information. There's always new things. AMC's, the company itself has been doing a lot better this year. The movie numbers are up. The short interest is up. They're about to start selling popcorn outside the theaters. We're getting new apes every day. It seems like this thing is growing on a lot of people. And the thing is, it's in that sweet spot right now where it's like, okay, you can add, but the risk isn't as crazy. You know what I'm saying? It's not like we're not buying in the 70s no more. We're not buying in the 50s no more. We're at about $41, getting at the 30s earlier in the week. So it's at a solid low price. So it's like, okay, the risk reward isn't too bad. It's not too bad. So if I was y'all, I'm no financial advisor, but we all know or believe, strong, firm believers, because we do understand this. There is a lot of manipulation in the market, clearly with the dark pools, with a lot of the shares not being factored into the price. Obviously, that's been obviously pretty blatant, because a lot of us have been buying a lot of shares. And I know, honestly, if the stock market worked like it was supposed to, where the more people that's buying, the price of a stock should go up, supply meets demand, then this thing would have been a lot higher already. But it is still not even past the highs that we reached all the way back in, what was it, June? So, and it's pretty much, it's November. We're in November. We're about to be in a couple of months. We'll be in 2022. 2022. And if you think, go back to last year when everything first started off, that was in January. And if you go back to January, let's get another incentive. People who've been holding since November in January, they will get those tax benefits of being long-term holders. So this thing is going to get much, much interesting as this thing drags out. Because if the people that get it they got it in June, if it doesn't squeeze before then, and we're holding till June, later on to next year, then the tax benefits will help us out. It's like a win-win-win situation. And all you have to do is hold. Now, make no mistake, I'm not going to put in more than I can afford to lose. And I would recommend nobody else do that as well. But I'm no financial advisor. But I just like to show y'all what I see, what I think, give y'all my perspective. And I just want y'all to know that I'm extremely optimistic for this AMC to go absolutely crazy. And GameStop as well. You know what I'm saying? I'm not one of those people that's just like, I don't believe in AMC or GameStop. But AMC has a lot. I mean, they both have a big community behind them. But AMC, you know, I'm not saying one's better than the other. But I just feel like AMC is a very, very, very unique opportunity. GME too, but I like AMC. You know, I'm an AMC ape. I'm AMC strong. AMC 100K, AMC 500K was hashtags at one point. We've seen GameStop go to nearly 1,000. We've seen crazy things happen in this market already, and it's being suppressed. You know what I'm saying? They haven't let this thing play out yet. So when they let this thing, well, they're not gonna let it happen. It's probably gonna be forced. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's something crazy. It's gonna be a day, and when that day comes, I'm gonna be there. I'm gonna be ready. But anyways, if you enjoyed this video, y'all make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that sub button, turn those notifications on. Until next time, Densky out.